Hello everyone, in this tutorial I'll be showing you how to make an animated logo in Canva. The first thing you want to do once you are signed up to Canva, which you can do for completely free, you are going to tap on the search bar, and from here I want you to type in animated. After typing in animated, you are going to select animated logo. And why I want you to do that is because doing this you'll see numerous animated logo templates that you can not only choose from but can also give you motivation or better yet inspiration on what type of logo you can create using Canva. As you can see right here, for example this logo right here, and you can see this one, you'll see numerous logos. And by the way, anyone that you see, as you can see right here, the money sign paid, that means you would have to be a paid subscriber on Canva to use that particular logo. So what I want you to do is tap on create a blank animated logo. So we are going to have a blank template, as I'm going to be showing you how to make one from scratch. And you can see right here, this is our blank canvas, and this is the timeline. And also you will see the menu option on the left hand column. From the top you will see design, and you will see examples of animated logos, and you can also select elements. So to get started, the first thing we can do is add something to the background to spice it up. And to do that, you can either upload something by tapping on uploads. You could upload a photo, or you could scroll down and select background, and we could use one of the preloaded backgrounds on Canva. For this example, I'll use one of the preloaded backgrounds. So I'll select this particular background, as you can see it right there. And also with the background, if you would like to fade it in, if it looks overpowering, as you can see right here, all you have to do is tap on the background. Then you're going to select transparency. And from here, you can glide it back a bit, as you can see right there. And then after doing that, what I want you to do next, you're going to go over to the left hand menu option again. And from here, we can select elements. After selecting elements, you can select the element that you would like to use, or you can type it in. Let's say, for example, I want to search for a desk. I could select a desk right here, teacher's desk. Then from here you could select which one, and I like this particular one right here. So all I'll have to do is tap and drag it. So let's say I place the desk right here. After placing the desk, I want to place a text above it. So I'm going to tap on text from the left hand menu option. Then I'm going to select add a heading. After doing that, you can type in, for example, let's say I'm creating a logo for a teacher, or better yet for myself. So I'll type in simple answers. Now, after doing this, you can also change the font style by highlighting the entire font, then going over right where you see Canva Sans, and you could select a font style, for example, this one right here. And you could also change the color of the font if you want. Now to get it animated, all you have to do is highlight the entire text. After highlighting the text, you are going to select animated from the top right hand corner. And from here you will see the different options. So you can see right there. For example, if I wanted to wipe, I'll select wipe for this example. And also if you want the image to wipe, meaning this, the text right here, you could tap on the image. Then you will select animated again. And you can see right there the different options. And once you have found an option that you like, for example drift, you could tap on that. And let's say you want an image to pop in and out. So let's say I want to change the text in a particular section of the video. All I would have to do is tap on the timeline in the bottom left hand corner. Then I would glide this across. Let's say for 2 seconds I want it to show simple answers. After you have glided across to there, to the section that you want, you are going to right click. Then you are going to tap on split page. After you have split the page now, what I want you to do right here, you're going to go over and let's say I want to remove this image and I want to add something else. So I'm going to go into elements again from the top right hand corner, and from here I'm going to add, for example, a teacher around the desk, just for example's sake. And let me widen this image. Add a teacher around the desk, and also let's say I want to change the text. So let's change the text and put test day. And then I can make these animated again. All you'll have to do, as I said, tap on the image, then you're going to select animated, and from here you can select the image, the animation that you'd like to use. So let's say I want it to pop or baseline. You can see right there, I'll select baseline. And then also you can change the background by tapping on the entire image. After tapping on the entire image, you can right click, then you'll tap on detach image from background, and from here you can simply tap on the trash can. After removing it, you could go over to the left hand menu option again if you want to add another background, and you could tap on background. And let's say for example's sake, I just want to use a regular white background, this one. All you have to do is tap on the background, and you can see right there that it has changed, but that one has watermark. I don't want any with watermark, so I'll use this one. Now if I were to play the entire clip, all I'll have to do is tap on play, so you can see it right there. Now to save it, and by the way, if you would like to change the timeline, you can. All you'll have to do is tap on the section that you would like to change. So for example, this section, then at the top you will see edit timing right beside animated. And from here, if you would like to change it from 2 seconds, you could glide it across. So for example, if you like to change it to 3 seconds, you can. And you can also apply the changes to both pages. And if you would like to create another page, you can by tapping on the plus right here. So let's say for example, I want to create a new page. I could tap on the plus, then go over again and select a text. After selecting a text, I will type the end, as you can see right here. And let me widen this, so I will increase the font size. So you can increase the font size right there. So let's say I increase the font size to 80. You can see it right there. After increasing the font size, I will select animated, and then I'll select one of these animations. So let's say for example, I select breathe. And by the way, you can also change the effects by tapping on effects. So for example, if you wanted the words to look like a glitch, you could select glitch right there, and you can see that it has a fade, a purple fade. You can also do that. Also, if you would want the words to curve, you could select curve, as you can see right here, and you can curve the words to whichever direction you want. And then you can also tap on it, double tap on it if you want, and you'll be able to adjust the curve. So if you want it to curve even more, all you have to do is pull on it, as you can see right there. And that's it. Once it is to your liking, all you'll have to do now is tap on share. But before doing that, let me play it one more time so you can see how it looks. So you can see right there, test day, then the end. And I'll tap on share in the top right hand corner. Then you'll scroll down and you're going to select download, and you want to ensure that it is on MP4 video. Then you're going to select all pages and you'll simply tap on download, and that's it. Hope you found this video helpful and informative on how to create animated logo using Canva.